Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on colorblind mode in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our workspaces and our boards. From here we have to go into the top left corner and tap on the three lines. Then we tap on settings. And here on the accessibility part, we can turn on colorblind friendly mode just by tapping the little square next to it. And yeah, if it is the case, this is a very helpful thing in the app. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.